Hello my ABT students. This will be another mail merge, and again it's going to be a directory. Okay, so first of all, make sure you are in a new document. Make sure you've got no spacing turned on. Alright, so now what I want to do is we're going to have two columns here of equal width with a line between. So we want to go to layout, we want to go to columns and go to more columns, and we want two and with the line between, okay, and say okay. Now nothing appears different except that your ruler, you can see column number 1, then the space, and you can see column number 2. Alright, we were asked to set a left tab at 1.5, so set a left tab at 1.5. Alright, now we need to go to mailings and start the wizard, step-by-step mail merge wizard, and now we want to do a directory, so make sure you've got directory on, and then click on next and use the current document, yes, and now go to next. And once again, we're not typing a new list, we are using an existing list, so use an existing list and say browse. Now we're going to go to our U drive. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. There's my U drive, and I want to go to ABT, and I want to go to mail merge, and it told me to get the source called 48 source, so there's 48 and open. Now once again, here's the data on the screen. We never go into a database, we just view it like this. Okay, so we have last name, first name, phone number, email address, position, and specialty. Alright, we want the last name in alphabetical order, so click there, and now you see ABC. If I click here, remember it's Z to A, this is A to Z. Alright, click OK, that's all done for you. Alright, so at the left margin it says insert the merge field, and it says insert the first name field. Alright, so put in the first name field, and then press the space bar once and put in the last name field. Okay, that's good. And then press enter, and on the next line you're going to put in the email address. So go to insert mail merge and put in the email address. Press enter, and now you're going to put in the specialty field. So go to insert specialty. Alright, and here we want to press the tab key because I want the phone number on the same line. So now you're sitting here, so go to insert merge field and choose telephone. No, choose phone because that's the name of it. Alright, press enter twice. Okay, and now apply a bottom border to this line, specialty. Alright, we want 2 1/4 points, so we're going to go to home. You're going to go to borders and shading, just to refresh your memory. Now we'll use the single line. We want 2 1/4 points, and choose a color. It doesn't matter to me. I think I'll go with green this time, and put it on the bottom. Alright, and say OK. So there's your bottom line as you've got it. Now always make sure there are 2 blank paragraph symbols here. Okay, when you use columns you want the 2 here, and you'll see when we merge this why you want that. Alright, so now we want to save it, so go Control S to save, and you're going to go to your U drive, your mail merge folder, and now type in your first name and put in the current date for you, and this one is to be called Physical Activities Directory Form. So Physical Activities Directory Form. And remember how I always insist, you must tell me what it is. It's a directory and it's the form. Alright, and save it. Okay, that's it. That's all we have to do. So now we want to go to arrange your directory, and we've already done that. And we don't need to preview it. As I said, they should be correct. Complete the merge and merge to a new document. Alright, and say OK. And so now you see that you have excuse me, that you have all their names, and now do you see when they come together you only have one blank paragraph symbol. That's why you want the two there. Otherwise you would have had none and it wouldn't have looked good at all. Now we have got a bad break here though. Take a look. You got Amber Ross. So click at the A in Amber and you're going to go to Layout, Breaks, and you're going to go to Column Break. Now, have you got Amber Ross at the same place? Yes, you have. That's good. All right, one more thing. We have to put on a heading here. So now, go Control Home, and remember, you have to remember something here. Your columns are turned on, right? So we are going to press Enter once, select that paragraph symbol, and you're going to go to Columns and say 1. Now, does the ruler, is it all white? Yes, it is. Take off that tab at 1.5 that you don't need. And now let's press Enter one more time. Okay, go Control Home. Oh, I see my column breaks in a bad place. We'll fix that in a minute. Okay, so put in your heading here, Physical Activities. Directory. Okay, and go Shift Home, and we want to make it bold, make it italics, and size it up, oh, just so that it looks good. There's no right or wrong there. Center it, and if you want to put a color on it, sure, go put green to match your lines. Okay, now let's see what happened here. All right, this column break isn't in the right place now, so press Delete. Okay. And it should have been now at Michelle. So click at Michelle. You're going to go to Layout, Breaks, Column Break, and there it is. So I should have put my heading on first, and then I wouldn't run into that, but I want you to see what happens so that you know how to fix it. All right, so there everything is perfect, and you see how it filled down the left-hand side, and then it started to fill down the right-hand side because the columns act like newspaper columns. All right, we want to save this, so we want to go File, Save As, go to your folder, and now we're going to choose the Physical Activities Directory Form, and what do we do here? We double-click on the word Form, and we type in Merged. All right, save it. That's it. Your directory is done. That's all you have to do. So close out. Now, we always tell you to go back to step number 4. You can see your codes. You can see your 2 blank paragraph symbols, and remember you have to have that. Now, some of you might say to me, what would happen if I put the title on here first? Okay, so let's just watch here. Let's go up here and let's type Physical Activities Directory. Okay, directory. Okay, I'm not going to do anything with it because this isn't the correct way to do it, but I'll just do it like that. All right, now watch what happens. I'm going to go to Preview, complete the merge, merge to a new document, OK. And what happened? You got Physical Activities, Physical Activities, Physical. It appeared on every record. Okay, so that's why you don't do it on the form. All right, so close this out. Don't save it because that's incorrect, and this is incorrect. Okay, and I'll take us back to step 4. And remember, all you have here are the codes, nothing else, and 2 blank paragraph symbols. That's what you want. All right, so save it. We'll stop there. We'll close it out because we're finished with it. So go File, Close. And then remember, go Control N for a new document, put on your no spacing, and you're ready to go again. All right, we'll stop there.